Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all are doing well at our home. Our first chapter was the Faiza biscuit, our second chapter was the trap, and today we are going to start our third chapter, which is on page number 20. Our chapter name is The Mice and the Elephants. Words to know: agree, to think the same as someone, to say yes. Razi, comfortable, at ease, free from worry or troubles. Aramda, feast, a large meal for many people. Dawat, festival, a time of celebration. Tehwar, herd, a number of wild animals that stay together as one group. Grow, weak, not strong, without energy. Kamzor, whole, complete, pura. Now we are going to start the reading of the chapter. Once upon a time, a king lived in a fine stone palace. Palace means mahal. There was a time a king who used to live in a palace which is made up of a fine stone. After many years, the king grew old and died. Old means Buddha, died means Marjana. After many years, the king who used to live in a fine stone palace, he grew old and died. Everyone left the palace. Left means Chorna. Everyone left the palace after the death of the king. Slowly, the walls fell down and soon only the floors were left. Slowly, walls means diwar, fell down means girna, floors means farsh. Slowly, after everyone left the palace, so the walls of the palace fell down and only the floors were left. Now in the cracks of the floors lived hundreds of mice. Cracks means darare. Now in the cracks of the palace there lived 100 of mice. They lived with their sons, grandsons, their grandfathers and their grandmothers, and they were all very comfortable. The mice lived means rehna. The mice lived with their sons. Sons means bete, grandsons means pota ya poti, grandfathers means dada, grandmothers mean dadi, and they were all very comfortable. The mice were very comfortable while living with their sons, grandsons, grandfathers and grandmothers. They played games, had festivals, marriages. Marriages means shadiya, dramas and feast. The mice were very happy while living in the cracks of the floor. They were all very happy. Near the palace was a large lake. Lake means talab. Near a palace there was a large lake. One day in the hot weather, the elephant king came there with his herd to drink water. One day on a very hot weather. Hot means garam, weather means mausam. One day on a very hot weather, the elephant king with his whole herd came to the lake to drink some water on that hot weather. The whole herd walked all over the floors of the palace. The whole herd of the elephant, while walking towards the lake, they walked over the floors of the palace. They killed many of the mice. When they walked all over the floor of the palace, so they killed many of the mice. The mice were very sad. Sad means khaffa. Now the mice were very sad because many of the friends of the mice were died because of the elephant herd. They held a meeting. Meeting means mulakat. The mice held a meeting. These elephants will kill us all. Kill means marna. These elephants will kill us all when walking all over the floor of the palace. They cried. Cried means Chikhna, what shall we do? What is the plan to protect our friends from the elephant herd? Some of the mice went to the elephant. Some of the mice from that meeting went to the elephants. The mice said to the elephant, "Oh friend, we live under the palace floor." The mice said to the elephant, under means niche. The mice said to the elephant that we lived under the palace floor. If you walked over the floor on the palace, on the way to the lake, you will kill us all. We live under the palace floor. When you walk over the floor of the palace, so we live under the floor, you will kill us all. Please go another path. Path means rasta. The mice requested the elephant to please take another path on the way to the lake. One day we may help you. Help means madad. One day, a day will come when we may help you when you all are in trouble. The elephant king and his herd listened to the mice and agreed to use another path. Listen means sunnah. The elephant king and his whole herd listened to the mice very carefully and they agreed to use another path. One day the elephant king and his herd were trapped in the forest by some hunters. Trapped means pansna, forest means jungle, hunter means shikari. One day a hunters visited a forest and they trapped the whole elephant herd. They were tied up with ropes. The whole elephant herd were tied up with ropes. Ropes means rassi. Luckily, one of the elephant escaped the trap. Escaped means bhagna. Luckily, one of the elephant from that trap escaped and ran towards the mice. He ran through the forest and called the mice. The elephant who escaped from the trap of the hunters ran through the forest and called the mice. 100 of them came to help the elephant. 100 of mice from the forest came to help the elephant. They bit through the ropes and set the elephant free. Bait means katna, free means azad. They bit through the ropes of the hunters trapped and set the elephant free, and all the elephants are free. The elephant thanked the mice and they remembered the old saying. Remembered means yaad karna. Make friends, always make friends, however strong or weak. Strong means mazboot. Thank you. As we have done with a reading of the book, now we will going to start our book work. You have to do this book work in your book, not in your notebooks. So the question number 2 is exercise number A, question number 2. The king was very kind to the elephant. These are the sentences. Some sentences are correct. If the sentences are correct, we are going to write T over here. And if the sentence is incorrect, then we are going to write F over here. The first sentence is, the king was very kind to the elephant. This sentence is correct, so we will write T over here. The mice did not help anyone. This sentence is incorrect, so we will write F over here. The elephant thanked the mice. This sentence is also correct, so we will write T over here. The herd decided to go another way. This sentence is also correct, so we will write T over here. The palace was made of bricks. This sentence is also incorrect, so we will write F over here. Now, question number 3, exercise number A, question number 3. These are the sentences that are mixed up. We have to correct these sentences according to the story. The first number, the mice went to talk to the elephant. Write 5 over here. Number B, the elephant were caught in a trap. Write 6 over here. The king died. Write 1 over here. Now the rest of the sentences are on page number 23. Number D is the mice bit through the ropes of the trap. Write 8 over here. Number E, the palace walls fell down. Write 2 over here. F, one elephant called the mice. Write 7 over here. Number G, the elephant killed some mice. Write 3 over here. Number H, the mice held a meeting. Write 4 over here. Now we are going to read these sentences according to the numbering. Number 1 sentence is the king died. Number 2, the palace walls fell down. Number 3, the elephant killed some mice. Number 4, the mice held a meeting. Number 5, the mice went to talk to the elephant. Number 6, the elephant were caught in a trap. Number 7, one elephant called the mice. Now the exercise number B, question number 1. Complete the following sentences in your own words. These are incomplete sentences. These are incomplete sentences. We have to write words in our own. We have to write words in the dash. The elephant king wanted drink water from lake. Write drink water from lake in the dash. Under the floors of the palace, 100 of mice lived. Write 100 of mice lived in the blank. Number C, these elephant will surely agreed with the mice. Write agreed with the mice in the blank. Let us help the elephant. Write the elephant in the blank. Now exercise number C, preposition. Sometimes we use words to show the position between one noun and another. These words are called preposition. Prepositions are the words that show the position between one noun and another. All the underlined words in the sentence given on the next page are prepositions. The examples of the prepositions are: the box is on the table. Here is the table and here is the box. The box is on the table. So the on is the preposition because it shows the position that box is on the table. The man is walking under the bridge. Under is a preposition. The cat is sitting near the wall. Near is also a preposition. The sailor sailed across the sea. Across is also a preposition. Question number 1. Put suitable preposition in the following sentences. Use the words in the box. These are the words given. We have to pick a suitable preposition and write it in the blanks. Number A. Rahman is coming home dash the market. Write from in the blank. Number B. The teacher wrote dash the blackboard. Write on the blank. C. Aisha ran quickly dash the hill. Write up. D. Tony tripped and rolled dash the hill. Write down. There is a mouse dash my kitchen. Write in. Question number 2. Copy this passage in your notebooks and underline all the preposition. This is a preposition given in your book. You have to underline a preposition in this passage. Not in the notebook. You have to do it in your book, not in your notebook. Maria lived near a river. Underline river. In her garden. Underline near. In her garden there was a small boat. Underline near. Underline in. One day during the monsoon, Maria took the boat out of the garden. Underline out. She carried it along the path to the river. Underline 2. She put the board in the water. Underline in. She jumped off the bank into the board. Underline off and underline into. After the book work, we are going to start our copy work. So first write chapter number 3 in the first line. In the next line, write the mice and the elephant. Write dictation words in the third line. Also write a classwork and date and draw a margin line as well. The first dictation word is agree. A-G-R-E-E. Agree. Number 2, feast. F-E-A-S-T. Feast. Number 3, festival. F-E-S-T-I-V-A-L. Festival. Number 4, herd. H-E-R-D. Herd. Number 5, week. W-E-A-K. Week. Number 6, cracks. C-R-A-C-K-S. Cracks. Number 7, escape. E-S-C-A-P-E. Escape. Number 8, ropes. R-O-P-E-S. Ropes. Number 9, hunters. H-U-N-T-E-R-S. Hunters. Number 10, comfortable. C-O-M-F-O-R-T-A-B-L-E. Comfortable. In the next page, write word sentences. Draw line in the middle and start writing the word sentences. Also write classwork and date and draw a margin line as well. Number first word is festivals. I like to go to each festivals. Number 2, agree. I know you are agree with me. Number 3, feast. The feast was served by his mother. Week. She was too weak to move. Number 5, crack. He too is helping to crack it. After the word sentences, in the next page, write question answers, draw margin line and write classwork and date on the top of the page. Question number 1. Why did everyone leave the palace? The answer is everyone left the palace because the king grew old and died. Question number 2. Who lived in the cracks of the floors? Answer. Mice lived in the cracks of the floor. Number 3. Question number 3. Who agreed to use another path? Answer is the elephants agreed to use another path. Our last question is, what did the elephant remember? Answer, the elephants remembered the old saying, comma, inverted commas open, make friends, always make friends, comma, however strong or weak, inverted commas close. This is all about your third chapter. Thank you.